Welcome to Luto Inato. We created this channel for a cause to promote Filipino historical food culture and old-fashioned food traditions. We are advocates of Cebu Food Revolution to promote food as medicine, slow food movement to promote heritage food, and communities for alternative food ecosystems initiatives for health and sustainability. We are home chefs and we cook to make a difference.
Try to harvest peanut from the ground. I'm reading our Mother Nature. This is donkey. We are also lucky to have harvested peanuts fresh from the wild. So I'm reading Mother Nature now. The freshest peanut. So harvested peanuts. Just fresh out of the mother plant. Mother Nature is very generous. If you just learn how to take care of Mother Nature and you will till the land, it will really give back. See? Peanuts are very rich in protein. The freshest peanut that I have ever got.
Mga friends, mama and papa, nanay and tatay, tiya and tiyo, ate and kuya, mga inday ug mga undong. I am Home Chef Sweetie again, of Luto Inato at your service. We are here to promote home cooking, okay? So now, we will be teaching you another delicacy that we Filipinos love eating. So it's made of peanuts or mani that we freshly harvested from the farm in Agsungot. Okay? So the peanuts that we harvested, ato siyang i-fry. So ato ni siyang ipanitan, oh. Okay. So by the way, the delicacy that I will be teaching you today is what we call as turones de mani or mani nga turon, as what we locally know. So the ingredients are the following, of course, the mani or the peanuts, no, like that we harvested. Then ato siyang gipanitan, muna ni siya. And then we fried the peanuts, roasted, muna ni siya. Okay? Then another ingredient is the brown sugar. And then the lumpia wrapper. Ano lang ka-simple? Peanut, brown sugar, and lumpia wrapper. So the peanut will be roughly ground, mixed with our sugar, brown sugar, and we are going to wrap it in our lumpia wrapper. Then we will fry. So that will be our mani de turon or turones de mani. These are the peanuts that we have harvested from the farm. We are going to crack it open because we will be roasting this as an ingredient for the dish that we are, or the delicacy that we are going to cook. So these peanuts are locally grown from the mountains of Binaliw. We harvested this directly from a local farmer who happens to have a mature peanuts ready for harvest when I went there to buy some vegetables. So we are so lucky that we're able to approach a farmer who happens to have a peanut farm. So this is it.
Now we are frying or roasting our peanut.
peanuts. We will be peeling this so that we can use this as an ingredient for our peanut turon. Did you know that peanuts are legumes that originated in South America? Through trading, they spread throughout the world. They are often consumed roasted, like this one, or as peanut butter. Other peanut products include peanut oil, which are preferred by some chefs because of its heat tolerability. It doesn't easily get burned, unlike other vegetable oils. It also comes in flour, which are being used in a variety of foods such as desserts, cakes, confectionery, snacks, and different kind of sauces. Did you know also that peanuts are so rich in protein, fats, and various healthy nutrients? It is low in carbs and high in protein, fat, and fiber. We will be grounding the fried peanuts using our mortar and pestle. Actually, you can use food processor in doing this, but then for presentation purposes, and not all of us have food processor, so I opted to use our mortar and pestle. Okay, this has to be roughly grounded. Peanut that we have roasted and pounded using our mortar and pestle. So we mix this with the brown sugar, then we are going to wrap this with our lumpia wrapper, like this one. Spoonful, and spread it. Then you put some here so that you can roll. You just roll it like the way you roll your lumpia. And then you seal the edge with water. Our freshly wrapped turon de mani. We'll be frying our turon. Cinturones de Maní. Try to see. Thank you everyone for watching, and if you like our demo, please subscribe to our channel and share it to your friends. We make our videos fun and informative for everyone. Let us hear your feedback. Just comment below. See you next time!